Did you know? Studies show that ebooks published using AI-assisted tools have a 35% higher chance of reaching bestseller status. Why? Because these tools understand what readers want and help authors deliver it consistently. Imagine being part of that success story. Introducing KDP AI Secrets, a groundbreaking tool that's designed to level the KDP self-publishing playing field. With KDP AI Secrets, you're not just getting an AI publishing solution, you're gaining a distinct advantage in your publishing journey. It's like having a team of experienced editors, marketers, and publishers right at your fingertips. From crafting compelling ebook content to optimizing your ebook for Amazon's algorithm, KDP AI Secrets handles it all for you. Let's break down KDP AI Secrets' key features. Automated writing assistance, a powerful AI writing assistant that helps you generate ideas, flesh out the best content, and even write your entire ebook, all based on a few pieces of input, and all within a few minutes. You don't even need to be an expert in the field you're writing about. Seamless editing. Never worry about costly add-on AI writing software. KDP AI Secrets ensures your prose is polished to perfection. Cover design made easy. They say don't judge a book by its cover, but let's face it, we all do. Create eye-catching covers with KDP AI Secrets that stand out in the crowded Kindle marketplace. Keyword optimization. Get your ebook in front of the right readers. KDP AI Secrets Keyword Tool analyzes market trends and suggests the most effective keywords to boost your ebook's visibility. Marketing automation. Launch your ebook like a pro. From email campaigns to social media posts, KDP AI Secrets automates your marketing efforts, ensuring maximum exposure for your masterpiece. At the heart of KDP AI Secrets is a sophisticated AI language model that's been trained on millions of high-quality conversations. This isn't your average chatbot. We're talking about a powerhouse of language processing that can mimic any author or writing style, from casual blog posts to academic dissertations. Here's how it works. You simply provide the AI engine with key details, including your topic, keywords, and niche description. Then you simply paste in a few paragraphs of your own writing or some bullet points outlining your ideas. Hit the Go button and watch in amazement as KDP AI Secrets transforms your input into a fully formed ebook. But it doesn't stop there. KDP AI Secrets isn't just about expanding your content, it's about elevating it. Our AI algorithm reviews your input and enhances it with relevant facts, statistics, and insights. It's like having a research assistant who never sleeps, constantly scouring the web for the latest and most relevant information in your niche. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.